The Department of Energy's Knowledge Management Pilot Tool provides researchers across DOE's national laboratories the ability to collaborate on a common platform. To access KM, you must be a registered user of EDX and affiliated with one of the DOE national laboratories. Only users with an approved email extension will be able to access KM. Although voluntary, it is highly recommended that registrants from DOE's national laboratories have a KM account on EDX. To register for EDX, navigate to edx.netl.doe.gov and click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Registrants with a .gov email address will be immediately approved for an account on EDX. However, they will need to check on the validation link in their email to validate their account. KM is accessible via the My EDX tab. If you have not created a KM profile, click on the green Add KM Profile button. Provide detailed information about yourself and select the appropriate keywords that accurately describe your competencies. Your selected keywords will connect you with other KM users with similar areas of expertise. When you have completed the form, click on the Create KM Info button. KM is accessible via the My EDX tab. If you have already created a KM account, click on the My KM button. Navigation throughout the KM Pilot Tool is driven by the main toolbar. The My KM tab provides access to your contact information, your keywords, recent messages that may be of interest, and your topics. Additionally, you can suggest new keywords by clicking on the Suggest Keywords button. Type in your suggested keyword and click on the Submit Suggested Keywords button. The keywords will be sent to the topic leads and, if approved, added to the global list of keywords. The Communities tab provides access to communities within the KM system. For the KM Pilot Tool, the only community listed is Shale. In the future, additional communities will be added. The Topics tab includes all the topics in the KM system. For the KM Pilot Tool, all topics listed are associated with the Shale community. In the future, additional topics will be added on an as-needed basis. The Forum tab is a tool within the KM system that allows online discussion where users can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. The forum is broken down into topics that correspond to the community topics. Each topic consists of multiple threads. A thread is a collection of posts, usually displayed from oldest to latest, pertaining to one topic or question. The Contacts tab will allow KM registrants to easily contact KM support. This tab will mature in the future and will most likely contain additional features such as help, FAQs, and tutorial videos. The Search field allows KM registrants the ability to search all of KM on users, communities, forums, and topics. The final tab on the main toolbar provides access to all of your KM profile information. You will find a link to your My KM, your activity log, edit profile, a link out to EDX proper, and a logout button. The Topics tab provides access to the topics in the KM system. For the KM Pilot Tool, all topics listed are associated with the Shale community. In the future, additional topics will be added on an as-needed basis. Under each topic, you will see associated keywords with the topic. If you click a keyword, it will navigate you to a page that lists all topics with that associated keyword. Under each topic, you can also see how many members and leaders are associated with any given topic. Clicking on the Members button will populate a list of members for the selected topic. Additionally, you can click on the User Email Results to populate a user email list. Click Copy to Clipboard and paste the list into an email to send all members of the topic an email. Additionally, on any given topic homepage, you will find a list of topic leads on the left and associated topic keywords. A brief description is also provided with a list of recent threads from the topic's forum. If you would like to join or leave the topic, click on the button conveniently located in the top right. The Forum tab is a tool within the KM system that allows online discussion where users can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. The forum is broken down into topics that correspond to the community topics. Each topic consists of multiple threads. A thread is a collection of posts, usually displayed from oldest to latest, pertaining to one topic or question. To start a thread, click on the topic that you would like to start the thread in. At the top of the page, click on the Start Thread button. If you would like to format your post, add a hyperlink, or add an image, we recommend clicking on the Advanced Post button. Next, you will need to add a subject or title to your message, and don't forget to add keywords. Add your message into the message field, and feel free to attach an image by clicking on the Choose Files button. When your message is complete, click on the Post button. To reply to a post, click on the Reply to Thread button. If you would like to format your reply, make sure to click on the Advanced Reply button. Clicking on your profile in the upper menu bar provides access to various features on KM. First, you can link out to your My KM page where you can edit your profile and/or fine-tune your preferences on KM. The Profile tab also tabulates responses to your forum posts. If there's a response to a post, a numerical value will appear next to your username. You can click on Activity to preview the responses to your posts. Once the messages have all been previewed, the page will display a message saying, "No activity found." If you would like to quickly make changes to your profile, click on the Edit Profile button. We have provided a link out to the home page on EDX proper. Clicking on the EDX logo in the top right corner of the page will provide the same result. Lastly, if you would like to log out of the KM system, click on the Log Out button.